In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can generate your book cover with AI, and you can as well do this with you can as well use this method to do your flyer. If you are a vendor selling perfume or anything, you can use this same method to do your flyer, and you can as well do your book cover with this same method. So what you're going to do is that you go to your browser and you go to ideogram. Go to ideogram. You need two things actually. So you go to ideogram.ai, ideogram.ai to do this. So you're going to set up your profile. All you need is just your email address. Yes, but for me, it seems I already have profile with ideogram, so I'll just go ahead. I don't know if my profile is logged in here. So aside from ideogram, you also need ChatGPT. Okay, so you also need ChatGPT to do this. So go to ideogram.ai because I have profile with them. That's why you can see I've used my Gmail to create a profile with them. But for you, if you're just doing this for the first time, then you will need to set up your profile, and you will not you do not need any money to do this. It is totally free. Okay, it is totally free. And if you want to upgrade, which you don't have any reason to upgrade, then that is where you will need money. But me, I've always used the free version, not the pro version. So as I said, you also need ChatGPT. Yeah, so what are we going to be using ChatGPT to do? If you're a vendor selling something, maybe you're selling perfume, maybe you're selling clothes, and you want to do flyer, what you have to do is to tell ChatGPT what you want. I want to design a flyer for my business, and I want the color to be this, to be that. The name of my brand is. If you are currently doing sales, the name I'm doing 12-day sales. Just tell ChatGPT anything, and once you do that, ChatGPT will give you a prompt that you're going to give for AI, for that you're going to give to ideogram AI. Do you get that? But for this, we are going to be going for a book cover, and let's assume the name of the book cover is, maybe the name of the book you just created is about iPhone 17, for example. Maybe iPhone 17 guide. So I will just say something like iCharts. Yeah. Then I can say I just created a book. I just created a book titled titled wait, I just created a book, and I want to and I want to design and I want to design the book cover using ideogram AI. So I want you to give me a prompt. I want you to give me a perfect prompt. I can give ideogram. I can give ideogram. Yeah. The title of the book. The title of the book is iPhone 17 Guide, and the subtitle and the subtitle is what can we make the subtitle to be? Oh, okay, we can say easy access to iPhone 17. Easy access to iPhone 17. While the um while the author's name, yeah, author's name is Becky. Yeah, let's use this for example. You have to give ChatGPT, you have to talk to ChatGPT as if you are talking to normal human being. Like, explain it very, very well. I used iPhone 17 for example. Yeah, so many people have published book about iPhone 17 because it is currently trending, right? So I just created a book and I want to design the book cover using Ideogram AI. So I want you to give me a perfect prompt. I can give Ideogram. The title of the book is iPhone 17 Guide, and the subtitle is Easy Access to iPhone 17, while the author's name is Becky. Now, look at what ChatGPT will give me. Now, look at the prompt. A sleek modern book cover design for a technology guide titled iPhone 17 Guide with the subtitle Easy Access to iPhone 17 by Becky. The cover should feature a futuristic iPhone 17 device glowing with soft neon blue and silver tones, minimalistic layout. You can see all of those things. Yeah. So you're going to make sure you read it to the end though. And if it is up to your taste, if it is not up to your taste, ChatGPT will definitely listen to you. Okay. You can actually change some things if you don't like some things. But for me, I think that is okay. So I'll go back to Ideogram right now. So paste what I just copy um from ChatGPT. No, I'm not installing. You can as well install their what's it called? Their app. But for me, nah, I'm not installing. You can see this is their pro version, but you do not need the pro version. If all you are just using it to do is just to generate book, okay? So you click on the create. If you're using your phone, if you're not using your phone, I actually use my system, but I'm doing this for the sake of those that are using mobile phone, okay? So you are going to click on this create icon, okay? So once you do that, it's going to take you to where you can put your prompt. Now I just paste my prompt, then I'll click on this arrow. Can you see this arrow? So I'll click on this arrow to give it my prompt. So wait for some time for it to load, and once it loads, it's going to give us our result. And one thing I have to explain to you is that when you are generating your book cover with Ideogram, um there are sometimes that what it will generate for you, you might not be satisfied. Do you get? Because you are the one that know what you want, so it might not it might generate what you don't like, what you're not satisfied with. Then give it another prompt, like adjust your prompt. Okay, now it is done generating. Look at what it gives me. Look at what it gives me. iPhone 17 guide, easy access to iPhone 17 by Becky. So I'm going to select from either of the four. It will give me four. This is the first one, the second one, the third, and the fourth. Just should I go for? I think I just choose the one that you like. I think I like this one. Yeah, I think I like this one. So I think I'm done here. What I'll just do is I will download it. Ta-da! And that is done. So look at it in my gallery. See, I just open it. So I think I'm satisfied with this. What I will just do is that I'll go to Canva to expand, because this is not my book size. So my book size can be 8.5 by 11. My book size can be 6 by 9. And this is not 6 by 9. So what I have to do is to go to my what I have to do is to go to my Canva and expand it. So I'm using Canva Pro, so I will just expand it to my book size without doing anything, and it will expand. Yeah. So you can get Canva for as low as 2,000 naira per year, or for 2 years safe. So that is that about that. And also there's something I need to tell you. Yeah, this is how to use assuming I want to create, yeah, and I paste this. I can also work on my size. Now look at this place. This is where you can get the size, so you can adjust it to landscape, to portrait. So assuming you want to use this to do your what is it called, assuming you want to use this to do your thumbnail, then you can select landscape, maybe YouTube thumbnail. But I'm going for book design, so I can choose 10 by 16. My actual size is not here, but I want something portrait, right? So you can always adjust your size. It's as simple as ABC. Can you see that? So any size that you want, you get that. So once I'm done, with the size. You can see the size is reflecting here, right? You can see the size is reflecting here. So once I'm done with the size, then I'll give it my prompt. Okay, so you want to make sure you set your size before you even generate your anything you are generating, maybe book cover or anything. But for me, because I already know I'm going to go and fit it inside my canvas, so I just generate any size and get out of here. So you can there is limit to what you can generate in a day for the free version of ideogram. But then if it's just book cover or flyer, how many flyer do you have to generate in a day? How many book cover do you have to generate in a day? Do you get that? So there's no way it's gonna give you 4 at a time. And when it gives you 4 at a time, if you're not satisfied, you can regenerate. If you're satisfied but you want something to be adjusted, there's a way to play around it. Okay, so we are still waiting for it to load. And now it has generated. So let's see what we have. Now you can see that the size have changed from the previous one. Now look at this iPhone 17 guide. Easy access to iPhone 17. That's my book subtitle by Becky. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They're all nice, but I think I love this first one. So I'll be downloading this first one. I'll be going for this first one. So if you are using your mobile phone, you just come here to download. You click on this icon to download. But if you are using your system, you'll have seen the download icon because system have a wider what's it called. So I'm just gonna download it and it's done. So now look at it. Look how beautiful this is looking. Yeah, so that is how you can generate your images in seconds. But let's now assume you are not still satisfied. Assume you are not satisfied, but you like this particular one. Now look at this. This is the magic prompt. Look at the magic prompt. This is what it gives us, right? Now assuming I'm not satisfied, I'll just come here to edit it. Okay, you just come here and edit your magic prompts. If there's something you don't like there, or maybe the the device displays up to blah blah blah, or there's a color that you don't like, you just edit it. Okay, you just edit it. But me, I think I'm satisfied and I'm not even using this for anything. This is just for teaching purpose. Thank you for watching to the end. Make sure you share this video with a friend and make sure you like and subscribe on my channel.